Hey guys, 𝐄𝐪𝐮𝐢 here from 𝐿𝐷. In today's video, I'm actually going to be talking about how to free up space on your iPhone, Android, tablet, any kind of portable device you could think of, including your computer, by the way. I'll be showing you exactly how you could restore space or gain access to space. I'm going to let you know right now, I am a YouTuber, therefore I use my phone for pretty much everything in terms of recording. So as you can imagine, my phone gets pretty full pretty quickly. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I free up space on my device using this method. Let's get started. The application we're going to be using in today's video is called Google Photos. Some of you guys may be familiar with it, while others are new to this. That application, you can set it up to automatically back up your photos, videos, maybe even contact information. First thing you want to do is download the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's step one. Now, step two, you want to open up the application and sign into your Google account. If you don't own a Google account, I consider that you signed up for one, or use a friend. Either way, I recommend you have one. Step three, you want to set up the application to back up your photos and videos automatically. It'll happen in the background. That way you're not sitting in the app all day waiting for all the files and information to upload. Instead, it's going to be happening in the background. All you're simply going to have to worry about is periodically going into the application and then freeing up some space. There's a button there that says free up space. What that simply does is all the videos and audio files that's already been uploaded to your Google account is going to be deleted from your device, therefore freeing up space for you. Anytime you want to access your videos or photos, it's going to be as simple as opening up the application and viewing them just like you would in the Photos app of your iPhone or the Photos app of your Android device. You're not going to have to pay for anything. It is completely free for you if you don't need any more than about 15 gigs. For example, if you're looking for 256 gigabytes, you're gonna have to pay $2.99 a month every month. There's a high chance you're able to afford that. That's a bag of potato chips. And there you have it, guys. If you have any questions pertaining to technology, phone repair, laptop repair, computer repair, life, finances, how to get a job, something along those lines, definitely let me know down below and I'll be more than happy to assist you. That pretty much wraps it up for today's video, guys. 𝐵𝐄𝐪𝐻𝐷 here from 𝐿𝐷, and I am out. Peace.